So hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and we are coming here after a very long time. I was busy with certain engagements of mine. That is why I was not able to basically upload few videos on this channel. But now, from now on, we will be regular and uploading new videos on our channel. All right, so this is what it is. In the previous video we did what we did, data frame. All right, how to create a data frame with the help of a dictionary. All right, we have customer ID as column names, product customer ID, brand names as column names. All right, there are certain values that we passed multiple values inside square brackets. All right, so this is what it is. All right. So next we'll be doing what? Next we'll be basically talking about what? Next we'll be talking about the concat function in pandas. The concat function in pandas. Now this concat function is used to do what? This particular concat function is used to basically concat, join two data frames together. Join two data frames together. All right. One row wise, second is your column wise. All right, with respect to row, with respect to column. In row wise, your axis parameter will be equivalent to 0, and in column wise, your axis parameter will be equivalent to 1. 0 depicts what? 0 depicts that perform a particular operation, like the concat operation or the concat function on what? On a row, and axis is equal to 1 means what? Perform the concat operation on a column. All right, so this is what it is. So now we'll do what? We'll basically do df underscore row concat. We have two data frames, df1, all right, which we declared over here, df2, which we declared it over here. All right, so df1 and df2, we are going to concatenate what? We are going to concatenate df1 and df2. So all right, so equivalent to pd dot concat. All right, pd dot concat, we'll take df1 comma df2. All right, comma axis is equal to 0. All right, we'll run this by pressing shift plus enter. df underscore row underscore concat, print it. So as now we can see what? We can see that two of the data frames have been what? Two of the data frames have been concatenated in terms of rows. If we click on this row, basically if we enter this data frame df1, if we enter this data frame df2, so you can see customer ID and brand names as the column. Customer ID mentions what? 106 till 110, and mentions brand names Apple, Lenovo, etc. All right, customer ID mentions what? Customer ID mentions your it mentions basically your Apple MacBook Legion. All right, it mentions your ZenBook, Alienware, XPS, etc., Dell XPS, etc. All right, so this is what it is. Next we'll be doing what? Next we'll be basically so this is we have done df1 df2 concatenate. All right, next we'll be doing what? Next we'll be seeing the, so we saw what? We saw the concatenation through rows. So we have this. So as you can see, 101 till 105 we have df1, and 106 till 110 we have df2. So you can see row concatenation, 101 till 105 df1 has been put over here, and 106 till 110 row wise it has concatenated. Now in product names, it is showing as nan. Why? Because df2 doesn't consist of what? Product column. All right, wherein as df1 df1 is what? df1 shows nan when it comes to brand names. All right, why? Because, all right, so this is what it is. All right, so df1 basically shows what? Null in brand names. Df2 shows null in product names. All right, so this is what it is. Next we'll see what? Next we'll see the column operation. All right, we'll see df underscore call underscore concat is equal to pd dot concat. All right, df1 comma df2 comma axis is equal to 1. All right, now we'll do what? We'll basically print. So as you can see, it has concatenated column wise. All right, so 101, 106. All right, Apple, MacBook. All right, so this is what it is. Similarly, we can do what? We can jumble up. We can do what? We can interchange df2 and df1. We run this. What will happen now? You can see that 106 has gone left towards Apple, MacBook. Earlier it was what? Earlier it was like this. All right, earlier it was like this: MacBook, Apple. All right, and 101 on the left hand side and 106 on the right hand side. All right, so this is what it is. This is how we do the perform the concatenate function. All right, we'll see a lot more function, SQL like function like join, merge in the coming videos. Thanks a lot for now.